students, today I'm going to start the second chapter for class 8, that is MS Access 2013. Today I describe about what is database, what are the examples of database, what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, why we need database, or what are the advantages of database, what is MS Access 2013, and what are the objects of MS Access. So let's start. What is database? A database is a collection of all related data so that we can significantly access, manipulate, extract and manage data within the database. A database consists of at least one database table. A database may have multiple database tables. So in other terms, we can say a database is a collection of at least one or multiple database table. Normally, in practical sense, a database consists of multiple database tables. Example of database: school database, college database, office database, hospital database, university database, etc. What is DBMS? The full form of DBMS is Database Management System. DBMS is an application software which provides us a platform to create, change, modify, update and delete a database, and also provides us a platform where we can access, extract, manage and manipulate data from database. DBMS is a software program that we actually use to do all kinds of activity for a database. Examples of DBMS are Oracle, SQL, MS Access, DB2, etc. Next, what is RDBMS? The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is an advancement of DBMS. RDBMS follows the concept of relational database. That means here each database table is considered as a table or a relation, and in each table there are multiple attributes and tuples. In RDBMS, all the tables are considered as relations, and within each and every table there are relation. Like if there are two tables, student and teacher, within a school database that is maintained by RDBMS, then within the student table and the teacher table there will be one relation that is many to many. That means one teacher may have multiple students, as well as one student may have multiple subject teacher. Example of RDBMS, of course, MS Access. Next topic is why we need a database, or what are the advantages of database. Number one, a database reduces redundancy. Redundancy means duplicacy. In a database always maintains the non-duplicate data. If a table is updated with new data, the related tables are also updated with that particular new data, so that in multiple tables the form of the data, the status of the data is same. No duplicate records or no duplicate data is maintained in a database. Number two, reduces inconsistency, maintains consistency and update records. A database always keep its eye to the database by new data, and when one part of the table is updated with a new data, all that data are updated in all related table. Suppose there are two tables, student and academy. In student table, student details are there. In academic table, student fees, sessions, etc. are there. If one student is permitted from class 7 to 8, the database will be updated in student table. Correspondingly, the same data will be updated in academic table also. So, in all the tables or all the related tables within the database, same data will be updated. That is called consistency. That reduces inconsistency. Number 3, improve data access. Database actually stores the data in the form of rows and columns and stores the data in the form of table. When we search data, first database finds out the in which table that particular data is kept, and then database finds out in which tuple or which number of row that particular data is kept. And also, like this, a database or a DBMS helps to find out data in short time effectively. Number 4 advantage, a database maintain the data security. When online or within an organization we want to access a database, first database asks for the user ID and password. If a user is having the user ID password, then that user becomes an authenticated user to access the data for that database. Database does not allow unauthenticated user to access the database. Plus, multiple users are having multiple rights on the database. Some users may only see the data. Some users may only manipulate the data. Some users can change or update the data in the database. So, database provides the security of data by assigning the user ID, password, and different rights on the data for the database. Next advantage, database maintains the standard. In these days, the data, information, and database are the main concern in IT world. So, database maintains the industry standard to create a database, to access data in proper time significantly, and to provide the security of data. So, for the 5 main aspects, we use database. Number 1, reduce redundancy. Number 2, maintain consistency and update data. Number 3, maintain security. Number 4, improve access of the data. And number 5, maintain the standard of the data. Now, MS Access. MS Access is the most popular RDBMS that comes within Microsoft Office suite. MS Access is an RDBMS, provides the platform where we can create, change, modify, update and delete a database, and also we can access, manipulate and extract data from the database. In MS Access, there are multiple objects like tables, forms, query, reports. Thank you.